Hey, how's it going, guys? Markel here, back with another unboxing for you guys, and today I have the DJI Osmo Action 2. Okay, I already have the GoPro Hero 10 Black, the Insta360 Go 2, and this is the last camera until I buy my mirrorless camera, which I plan on getting either the Sony a7 IV or the a7S III from Sony, but this is the only other camera I plan on buying this year. So let's go ahead and check this out. Go through this experience together of unboxing this camera. This has been all over YouTube. Some people love it, some people hate it. So I'm just gonna check it out for myself and just taking somebody's word for it. Since I can afford to get it, I got it. So instruction manual here, probably never gonna use. Set that to the side. And we're greeted with the cameras right off the bat. So that is pretty damn small. I mean, I have big hands, but yeah, that's pretty small camera. Set that to the side. And then this is the battery pack for it. I did get the front facing screen. I didn't just want to get the battery pack because I plan on vlogging with this. So those two are the cameras, and then let's see what else we got here. Should be the rest of the accessories. You have the sticky mount. You take this off, has that back piece that you can stick the stuff. Should be the mount. Yep. So you can actually screw this 1/4 at the bottom onto this mount, or on the accessory that I got, I'm gonna do a video for, which is this accessory, the remote control, the extended remote control stick. This is where this is gonna go, and I'm gonna do a separate video on this accessory, but yeah, that's what this is for. Type A to Type C charger is the Lanyard. I do not plan on using this, to be quite honest with you. I'm gonna use this snap mount if I ever use it for that, but I pretty much plan on vlogging with this and just leave this GoPro on the snap mount. Oh, the GoPro fingers, okay. So yeah, this is the GoPro mount, and again, I would put this on the snap mount and use it with the snap mount instead of using the Lanyard, and that's because this is adjustable. If I want to shoot straight down, I can. I want to shoot like there, I can. Straight back, I can. All right, guys, so that's everything in the box. I am going on a couple trips, so I'll be able to show you guys some footage. Okay, here is 4K 60 and ultra wide. Okay, so here is 4K 120.